horizontal folding wheelchair lifting, vehicle installation effects and operation. After parking the vehicle, open the trunk. The lift remains in the stowed position. Turn on the lift power switch in the direction of the open arrow. The indicator light illuminates. Control can be performed using wireless or handheld remote controllers. Functions include: release both safety locks to fully disengage the latch hooks from their retaining pins. Press and hold controller down button. Loading platform opens. The platform will automatically pause upon reaching level position with the cargo compartment. Release the controller. Press the button again. During this process, the anti-tip barrier deploys, forming a transition ramp with the ground surface. Down button lights red when platform contacts ground. Position wheelchair on platform. Roll wheelchair up ramp onto platform. Engage wheelchair brakes to prevent uncontrolled movement. Grip both handrails during ascent to ensure stability. Press and hold controller button. Lift platform raises. Stow anti-tip barrier. Maximum load 320 kilograms. Auto stop. Level position. Stop operation when lift reaches level position. At this stage, we should enter the vehicle to assist with securing the wheelchair once the family member using it has boarded. First, engage the wheelchair's parking brake to prevent movement inside the vehicle. Then, the wheelchair restraint system should be securely activated. The wheelchair restraint system employs a disc-type docking mechanism for quick release operation. For safety reasons, the restraint hooks must not be pulled out directly. Once the red release button beneath the restraint system is pressed, the hooks may now be smoothly withdrawn. Rotate black tensioning spindles clockwise to secure wheelchairs here. The same procedure should be mirrored for the remaining securing points. After securing, attach integrated safety belt to hooks post-securing. Align the buckle end with the top anchor point until an audible click confirms engagement. Mirror integrated safety belt procedure on opposite side to complete occupant restraint system. Adjust belt length as needed via integrated tensioning feature. Verify restraint integrity. Stow lift platform upon confirmation. Press and hold the top controller button to retract lift platform. Non-responsive top button indicates stowage completion. Deactivate power at arrow labeled close position. Critical, engage safety locks for final security. Secure transit locks to stabilize lifts. Lift-assisted boarding procedures completed. Initiate wheelchair lift disembarkation sequence. Verify zero energy status of wheelchair lift prior to operation. Restore power only after confirming zero energy status and removing LODO devices. Open the security lock. Deploy lift via bottom controller button. Platform halts automatically upon reaching vehicle floor planes. Proceed to mid-vehicle entry. Disengage restraints by holding red release buttons to retract hooks. Apply identical procedures to all remaining restraint systems. Unfasten safety belt immediately after restraint release. Confirm audible release and zero tension. Integrated restraint systems should remain vehicle mounted with periodic inspections. Per usage frequency. Disengage integrated safety belt by depressing quick release tab forward. Reattach safety belt via positive anchor engagement. Release wheelchair parking brakes only after all restraints are fully disengaged. Transfer wheelchair to deployed lifting platform. Diamond-graded lifting platform surface provides certified slip resistance. Engage wheelchair parking brake. Dual handrails enhance grip safety. Hold down button to lower lift to ground level. Deploy anti-tip barriers to form exit ramps. Enable stable wheelchair rollout. Upon platform leveling, disengage wheelchair parking brakes for assisted rollout. Stall lift platform by holding up button. The lift halts automatically upon reaching vehicle floor planes. Maintain UPS button held until full stowage engagement clicked. De-energize system by rotating power switch counterclockwise to lock position. Engage transit lock after exit. Verify system secure. Mingal Mobility Systems, guardian of freedom for people with reduced mobility.